What's up guys, Logan here, and today I'm going to be using the Turtle Wax Premium Scratch Repair Kit. I'm going to be using it to fix a couple spots right here on my door. This spot right here has always bugged me since I bought my car. I have no idea how it happened. It's always just a really scuffed up area. And this spot right here, I don't know if somebody dug something in right there, but it's always bugged me. It's been like that for the past 3 months. I'm going to see if it'll fix it. I'm going to be putting on the first part right now, and then I'm going to go to the gym, then actually do the second part. Okay guys, here is the first step. Use the premium scratch pen. Go ahead, shake it up nice and good, get everything mixed up. And on this right here, as soon as you start pushing down, the clear coat's going to start coming out. So here we go. Ooh, actually came out more than I thought. So as you can see, it kind of just squirts out like that. So yeah, definitely have some tape down here. And then also one other spot that's always bugged me is this little part right here. It looks like whoever had this car before me, they had the satellite radio little thing that you can put on top of your car. It didn't have any kind of protection, so it was just sliding as you were driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this one out too. And one more little spot right here. Okay, I did just get done using the pen. I put it on those 4 spots that y'all saw right there, right here, and right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym, go ahead and do some stuff, and let it dry for about 12 hours. It says to let it cure for 24 hours, but I just don't have the time. I have 12. Let's see what it does. And good morning guys, this is actually a new day. I went ahead and let this stuff dry for the 24 hours that the box said, just to get the best results. And actually you can see that it's actually covered in. The scratch is actually pretty good. This one over here, I guess the scratch was too much. It actually got to the actual body. But yeah, over here the lighter scratch is actually covered in, a lot of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the next step, the spray lubricant and the pads. I guess these are numbered 1 through 4. I guess you have to start with the number 1 pad while you're using the spray lubricant and give it 20 strokes across the entire area. Then you have to go to the second pad, same thing, third pad, and then the 4th pad. You do it again, and then you go to the final step. Okay, and actually this pad right here is double-sided. Number 1's right here, 2's right there. So go ahead and start with the 1, give it 20, 18, 19, 20. Then go ahead, flip it over to the 2 and give it 20 more. But I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit more of this stuff. Just the spray lubricant, you don't really want to scratch it. So just make sure it's all nice and wet. Do 20 more. 19, 20. And you can see after just those 2 steps what it looks like. It's actually somewhat smooth. It's just a little bit textured. So I'm going to go ahead and use the other step, see if I can get it down more. And I'm going to go ahead and use the 4th one now. Okay guys, and this is what it actually looks like after using the steps 1 through 4. It's actually just barely even textured. It actually doesn't look that bad. Most of the scratches are actually gone, but now I'm going to use the paint clarifying compound. It says to put it on a cotton towel or something cotton, and put it on rub it in for a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and see what it's going to be like after a minute. Okay, I just got done rubbing it in for a minute, and honestly, that is a lot better. You can still see some of the bigger scratches that were there, but a lot of the smaller scratches, actually, it looks like it's gone away. I'm going to go ahead and do that for this spot right here, and over here, all over here. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then wash my car, and you're about to see the end result now. Okay guys, I am done now. It actually didn't come out that bad. The only complaint I have with this is the last little step they had me put on, that the paint clarifying whatever, the paste or whatever, it's really oily. So even on the back you'll see more, but it's really oily. But I mean, the overall kit, it did cover most of the scratches, the majority of the scratches. This over here, I guess it was way too thick into the paint, actually hit the body. It didn't do much right there. But over here on the back, this scratch right here was too big, didn't do anything for there. But all right here, you can still see a lot of the scratches, but the majority of the little small scratches actually went away. So overall, I probably would get this again, just knowing that it's not going to get the deep scratches, it's only going to get the light scratches on top. But now that the sun's out, you actually see the deck lid a lot better, now that the car's clean and everything. I like the way that my car's coming along. The stance from the back looks real mean. Even over here on the side, it's all shiny. I actually just put this this sticker right here. Hopefully there's going to get more attention here now. And with plastic dip right here, I actually just cleaned this with soap and the scrubber, so it didn't scratch or anything. It looks really, really good so far. So overall, if I had to rate the kit, I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. But guys, I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.